what I love about that girl Matshidiso is that she is a student of the game. She really read the 48 laws of power, bruh. Like, she is trending and she knows that she effed up. Her life is cooked. But she does not do what most people do. When those videos are released, they go away, they hide. And now she's exploiting law number 6, caught attention at all cost. Like, nobody even knew who the hell she was until that sex tape. But she's taking it to her own advantage, bro. She's getting so many followers on Facebook. She keeps posting, people keep insulting her. She's making the bag, bruh. One day, one of these days, you're gonna see her in a podcast. They're gonna pay, like, bro, she is the modern day P.T. Barnum, bruh. Wow.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Solo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. So Matshidiso is being hailed as a strategic thinker after turning a leaked private video scandal involving popular dancer Limpopo Boy into a platform for personal growth and income. TikTok creator by the name of @Allen614R posted that video on the 13th of August 2026, breaking down how Matshidiso chose visibility over silence. Rather than retreating from the public life after the scandal broke, the creator noted that she leaned into the attention and used it to gain followers and monetize the moment. He made comparison to Law 6 of Robert Greene's The 48 Law of Power, which encourages people to caught attention at all costs, arguing that Matshidiso rather understood this principle instinctively very, very well, you guys. He also likened her approach to that of the 19th century showman P.T. Barnum, who built an empire on spectacle and fashion and public fascination. Now, several viewers brought up Kim Kardashian as the most obvious reference point. Kim famously transformed a leak tape scandal into one of the most recognizable personal brand in the world, and many felt Matshidiso was following a similar blueprint, you guys. And now the reaction online suggests that many South Africans are less interested in judging Matshidiso and more impressed by her refusal to let the scandal define her on anyone else's terms, because Matshidiso is out there posting like nobody else's business. You guys, now despite recent online buzz, Matshidiso made a stylish statement by stepping out in high spirit with a vibrant outfit of the day OTT clip, you guys, showing fans that it remains business as usual for her. Matshidiso's husband Kevin Shai reportedly deactivated his social media accounts following the viral leak of a private video allegedly involving his wife and Limpopo Boy, you guys. Now, a local woman's viral video highlighting the hypocrisy surrounding Matshidiso and Limpopo Boys scandal sparked a major shift in public opinions, leading many online users to rally behind Matshidiso, you guys. Now, women were saying that, if it was a man, he was going to be simply quickly forgiven. Everything was just going to be forgotten. Matshidiso is a woman. She's now paying the price. Limpopo has issued a statement, of course, apologizing for his mistake, taking full accountability and calling it his biggest blunders, you guys. However, he threw Matshidiso under the bus when he said that Matshidiso did not tell him that she was married. Social media users were dragging him to filth, saying that that is a plain lie, as he knew that Matshidiso is married to Calvin, as there are photographed pictures of the three of them circulating on social media. Anyways, you guys, what do you think? Please engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video and to make sure that you do share it. We'll definitely be seeing you in the next one. Bye.